Today we will discuss about my micro project topic name is supply chain management of Patanjali Ayurveda. Aim of project to understand procedure of Ayurveda products, to understand distribution of product cosmetic medicine, to aware for lack of supporting information system, to study scientific medicine solution and technology solution, to search information about the Patanjali Ayurveda, to collect the information about the supply chain management of Patanjali Ayurveda. Executive summary. Established in 2006 by Ramdev Baba along with Acharya Balkrishna. It was established with the vision to provide chemicals free and healthy products. Patanjali Food and Herbal Park at Haridwar is the main production family facility operated by Patanjali Ayurveda. Initially started with Ayurvedic medicines and then further expanded to multiple segments, one of the fastest growing FMCG company at present. Brief history of Patanjali Ayurveda. Name Patanjali Ayurveda Private Limited. Company type unlisted public company. Category company limited by shares. Subcategory Indian non-government cooperated. Industry type manufacturing FMCG. Authorized capital INR 5000 lakhs. Board of Directors 7 member. Head of Director Mukta Nand. Managing Director Acharya Balkrishna. Business Partner Bijur Group, Mudra Group, Kishore Biani Future Group, Mumbai Big Bazaar, Hypercity and Star Bazaar and BazarCard.com. Literature Review. The FMCG market has always been one of enormous potential in India, owing majorly to its huge population. However, from the 1950s through to 1980s, investments and growth in the industry were very limited because of the low purchasing power of the population and its government's preference for the small scale sector. The liberations of the economy boosted the incomes and living standards of the people and brought in the influx of fast moving consumer goods in the market. S.L. Rao relates in growth in GDP, agriculture and industry over the post liberalization periods corresponding with the growth in consumer good production. The peak growth of consumer good production was in 1995 to 1996 when the index showed a growth of 12.8%, declining thereafter for 3 years, rising to 6% in 1919 to 2000 and 8% in 2000 to 2001. There are surge of foreign companies into the market like Hindustan Unilever Limited, Marico, Henkel, Proter and Gamble, Cadbury and Racket Brexkitter with their wide range of goods trying to attract and capture the India consumer. The competition has been both between the domestic companies like Dabur, Imami and Amul and the foreign companies and that among the foreign companies themselves. Products range for tortoise cosmetics, bulbs, packaged food products, house care products, plastic goods, white goods, and consumer non-durable, etc. Vision and mission of Patanjali Ayurveda. Vision: keeping nationalism, Ayurveda, and yoga as our pillars, we are committed to create a healthy society and country to raise the pride and glory of the world. In our gear up to serve people by bringing the blessing of nature into lives. With sheer dedication, scientific approach, asserted planning, and realism, we are poised to write a new success story for the world. Mission: marketing and making India an ideal place for the growth and development of Ayurveda and the prototype for the rest of the world. Supply chain of Patanjali Ayurveda. Patanjali Ayurveda sales grow nearly 4,700 retail outlets as of May 2016. Patanjali also sells its products online and is planning to open outlet in the railway station and airports. All the consumer products of Patanjali are available for the direct sales in future group outlets. Started its FMCG expansion in the form of dealership and distributionship channels across the country and expect wider growth in overseas distribution as well. SWOT analysis of Patanjali Ayurveda. Strength, brand name, strong TQM, excellent marketing strategy, innovative personality, cheap price, come charming products. Weakness: no standard advertising, lower concentration on other top countries, lower marketing strategy. Opportunities: possibilities of becoming world top MNCs, expansion, maximum marketing share. Trades, government regulations, maximum taxes, lack of support from foreign governments. Future plans of Patanjali Ayurveda. They want to achieve 10,000 crores business, to expand the business at the global market in the next 5 years. Planning produce beverage drinks. Planning to produce oats, noodles, chips as to crack the market share of their MNCs. To reach the great height as to lower the demand of MNCs. Planning to open its outlets at railway station and airports. Planning to advertising through McCann and Mudra for next level of marketing plans. Actual procedure of follow in micro project. First, the teacher give me our micro project name. I started collecting information about the project from internet sources. Collect some information about Patanjali Ayurveda. Search information to supply chains management Patanjali Ayurveda. Then we write our micro project and part A and part B. Then we preparing the presentation of our project. Application of Patanjali Ayurveda. Patanjali Ayurveda produce products in the categories of personal care and 4. The companies manufacture 444 products, including 45 types cosmetic products and 30 types food products. Ayurvedic manufacturing division has over 300 medicines for treating the range of animals and body conditions. For common cold, the chloric paralysis, Patanjali launched instant noodles on 15 November 2015. In 2016, Patanjali has announced to enter the textile manufacture sector. Patanjali already has around 50 manufacturing units across the India. Output of micro project. I understood the information about Patanjali Ayurveda, their processes and their applications. I studied the how to distribution process our works and also study supply chain management of Patanjali Ayurveda. I know that Patanjali Ayurveda products. I understood Ayurveda medicines procedure and packaging process. Conclusion: the success of Patanjali Ayurveda can be based on its quality advertising, strengthly and products of strong distribution network. Output of micro project. Reference: www.google.com as Wikipedia, www.patanjaliayurveda/market/advertising, TV shows, Google Images, Book of Entrepreneurship Development. Thank you so much.